So easy recipe, lemon wine sauce. Fry the shins. Before that, you can add salt and pepper to a crust on all sides, not until ready. Cut carrot, celery, garlic and onion into cubes. Fry the onion and garlic, then add the rest of the vegetables. Bring the vegetables to softness and add wine, broth, tomatoes and tomato paste. We throw a bunch of thyme and a few bay leaves. Mix it up. Put the shins on the bottom. Bring to a boil, transfer to a small fire and leave for 2 hours. After cooking, we take out the meat and filter the broth through a sieve and evaporate in a saucepan twice. Subscribe and like.